Hello, I'm Tanya. I am a professional singer and a singing teacher. I hope you'll be able to join me to find out how to build and maintain stamina and flexibility, both in your speaking voice and in your singing voice. I'll give you some exercises that you can do at home and some tips on how to maintain good vocal health. We'll also look at what to expect from our voices as we age. You'll get the opportunity to try out some of the things you learn in a group singing session, which I hope will go some way to showing any of you that feel underconfident or self-conscious about your singing that it really is possible to learn. You can do these sessions standing up or, as I am, sitting on a hardback chair. All you need to bring is your curiosity, your willingness to experiment, and your sense of humour. These Care Vision sessions start on Mondays at midday on Monday the 23rd of November. So I hope to see you there, look forward to meeting you, to answering your questions and to sharing your joy as you discover something new. Bye for now.